I'm saying.
What's going on, guys? Kieran Can't Yo here, back again with another tutorial. Today I've got a super cool polo trick for you. Here's how it looks from my perspective. Whew. That's the whole trick, by the way. Two things before we get into this video. This video is sponsored by yoyo UK, so you can use code Kieran5 for 5% off at checkout, and I'll be using the Edge Beyond for this tutorial. So yeah, here's how to do the trick. You're gonna whip from coming under, like so, and basically what's gonna happen is you're gonna create this like mount, and then you're gonna land the yo-yo on it like so, right? So the yo-yo will come, bam. But you're going to want to pinch it as the yo-yo is landing on with your thumb and palm so that you create this slack here. And then you're going to whip this slack over, right, and under, like so. Okay, from here you're going to swap your index finger and thumb on your non-throw hand around. And then you're going to put your index finger against these two strings here. Now you're going to undercut with your index finger on your throw hand, and then roll the yo onto this string here. Right, and now you're going to grab with your entire throw hand these strings, and then pop and land the yo onto here. From here you're going to pinch with your non-throw hand index and middle finger, and create this slack which you will then hit onto your wrist. And then roll round. From here you can do this drop, and then it'll roll into a green triangle. Whew, I know that is a lot, so I'll go over that second bit once again. So anyway, from this like roll, you're gonna underpass, roll onto here, and then grab everything with your throw hand like so. Next you're gonna hop the yo onto there, and pinch with your non-throw hand index finger and middle like so. Then you're going to drop with your thumb, bam, and that'll create the slack. Then you just hit onto your wrist, and then roll under. And now you open up these two strings to drop this front one over, and then you do the little semicircle, and you're in a green triangle.
All I'm saying.
Now that is the whole trick, right? It's a super dense trick, but it's not like super long, so it's not actually too hard to get the hang of. You've just got to really stay consistent with learning each element, right? And take this trick element by element. A couple of tips that might help you are using fresh string and just coming at it in a day when you're feeling positive, because it is a hard trick. Like, don't assume it's easy just because this tutorial is short. It is an extremely hard trick, and it will take a while to get down, especially if you want to get it smooth. But other than that, yeah, that's the whole tutorial. So I'll go over the trick one more time. So you're going to whip into this green triangle, right? Throw the slack over and round. Swap your thumb and index finger round. Push your finger into these two strings, underpass. Roll onto this string, grab with your throw hand, hop onto this string, pinch, slack wrist, round, drop, green triangle. And yeah, that's the whole trick. So if you want to leave a like, comment if you've got a question, or if you have a question you can also message me at Kieran Can't Yo on Instagram. Otherwise, yeah, peace.